In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple rows in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate to your sheet and safely remove several rows at once without getting lost in the interface. First, open Smartsheet and head to the home screen. This is your starting dashboard where you'll see options to get work done quickly. On this page, you might notice a prominent option to start a new project, program, or process. We're not creating anything new today, but it's useful to know you're in the right place when you see that panel. From home, look for the sections that help you find existing content. You may see a suggested area showing recently used items. If what you need isn't there, switch over to all workspaces. This gives you a full view of the spaces you have access to, which is especially helpful if your organization stores sheets by team or project. Click into the workspace that contains the sheet you want to edit. Inside the workspace, locate and open the specific sheet where you'll be deleting rows. Make sure the sheet opens in grid view so you can see the row numbers clearly along the left side. Those row numbers are your selection handles. To select multiple rows, click the number of the first row you want to remove. Then hold the Control key on your keyboard and click the numbers of any additional rows you want to include. Each clicked row will highlight, indicating it's selected. If you're on a different operating system, use the equivalent modifier key. Take a moment to confirm you've selected only the rows you intend to delete. It's a good practice to scan the row contents quickly before proceeding, especially on shared sheets. With your rows selected, right-click on any one of the highlighted row numbers to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Delete Rows. Smartsheet may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and accept if you're sure. The selected rows will be removed in one action. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. You'll need the appropriate permissions on the sheet to delete rows. If you don't see the delete option, check with the sheet owner or admin. Also, consider whether any downstream formulas, reports, or dashboards depend on these rows. Removing them could affect rollups or summaries. That's it. You navigated from home, found the right workspace and sheet, selected multiple rows using the row numbers, and deleted them in a single step. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning in Smartsheet.